Children, today we are going to learn lesson number 5, people who help us. Lesson number 5, people who help us. Many people help us in our daily lives. In our daily life, we come across a lot of people who help us with many daily tasks. There are something we can do on our own. These tasks require special skills. Therefore, we take the help of people who have these special skills to get our work done. If we want to stitch a shirt from a piece of cloth, we go to a tailor. The postman helps us to send letters to different parts of the country. Whenever we are in trouble or need protection, the policeman helps us. A teacher helps a student to learn and understand many things. These are few examples of people who help us. Let us now learn about them in detail. Okay, children? Children, where do you go when you want to repair your shoes and slippers? Let me tell you. We go to a cobbler. The cobbler makes and mends our shoes and slippers. The cobbler makes and mends our shoes and slippers. Children, do you know who delivers letters to our homes? The postman or postwoman. The postman or postwoman brings our letters to our home. He helps us to send letters to different parts of the country. It is the duty of policeman to deliver all kinds of letters or mails to the specific address mentioned on the letter or envelope. The postman or postwoman brings us our letters. Children, where do you go when you or your family members fall sick? We go to the doctor. When we are ill, the doctor tells us what we must do to get well again. When we are ill, the doctor tells us what we must do to get well again. Children, do you remember who taught you the alphabets and numbers when you were small? It was your teacher. The teacher helps the student to learn and understand many things. Our teachers help us learn in school. Our teachers help us learn in school. Tell me, who keeps our city safe? It is the policemen and policewomen. The policemen and policewomen keep our neighborhood safe. Whenever we are in trouble and need protection, the police helps us. So the policemen and policewomen keep our neighborhood safe. Where do you go when you want to stitch new clothes? I will tell you. We go to the tailor. The tailor stitches new clothes for us. The tailor stitches new clothes for us. Children, where do your parents go when they want to buy groceries for home? they go to the shop. There the shopkeeper sells us things we need every day like bread, eggs, milk, pencils and notebooks. The shopkeeper sells us things we need every day like bread, eggs, milk, pencils and notebooks. Who brings the newspaper to your house early in the morning? The newspaper boy. The newspaper boy brings newspaper to our house. The newspaper boy brings newspaper to our house. If your parents want to drink tea or you want to drink Bonvita, you need milk, right? Who delivers fresh milk to your house? The milkman brings fresh milk to our house. The milkman brings fresh milk to our house. Who keeps your society clean and takes the garbage from your house? It is the sweeper. The sweeper keeps our surroundings clean. The sweeper keeps our surroundings clean. How does the traffic police help us? The traffic police prevent accidents and controls traffic on the road. The traffic police prevent accidents and controls traffic on the road. The traffic police controls the traffic. If there is a leakage in your bathroom, who comes to repair it? The plumber. The plumber is someone who installs and maintains pipes in our homes. The plumber is someone who installs and maintains pipes in our homes. Vegetables and fruits are very important in our life. You go to a market to buy vegetables and fruits. There the vegetable vendor sells fresh vegetables and fruits. The vegetable vendor sells fresh vegetables and fruits. If you want to make new tables or chairs, where do you go for help? We'll go to the carpenter. The carpenter makes furnitures from wood. The carpenter makes furnitures from wood. These are some of the people who help us in our daily lives. Children, can you think of some more people who help us? People like the gardener, electrician, security guard, cleaners, dhobi, household helpers, etc. also help us in our daily lives. Children, let us remember this. People who help us are called our helpers. People who help us are called our helpers. They help us in different ways. They help us in different ways. We depend on them in many times. We depend on them in many things. They make our life easy and comfortable. They make our life easy and comfortable. We should be polite enough with the people who help us. Remember this. We should be polite enough with the people who help us. We should behave well and talk politely with them. We should behave well and talk politely with them. Everyone is useful and no one is less or more important. Remember these things always, children. People who help us are called our helpers, and we should be polite enough with the people who help us. We should behave well and talk politely with them. Let me ask you some questions. Who helps you with your lessons at school? Answer is teacher. Teacher helps you with your lessons at school. The teacher helps you with your lessons at school. Who rings the bell in school at the end of each class? Peon. The peon rings the bell in school at the end of each class. The peon rings the bell in school at the end of each class. Who brings our letters? Postman. The postman brings our letters. The postman brings our letters. Who stitches our clothes? Tailor. The tailor stitches our clothes. Who keeps the neighborhood safe? Police. Police keeps the neighborhood safe. Police keeps the neighborhood safe. Who helps us to get well when we are ill? The doctor. Doctor helps us to get well when we are ill. Doctor helps us to get well when we are ill. Who mends our shoes? Cobbler. Who mends our shoes? Cobbler. The cobbler mends our shoes. Children, we have finished with our lesson. We learned today about some of our helpers. Cobbler, postman, doctor, teacher, tailor, shopkeeper. Now we will learn the new words. I will tell the words 3 times. Please listen. The number 1 word is cobbler. C-O-B-B-L-E-R, cobbler. C-O-B-B-L-E-R, cobbler. C-O-B-B-L-E-R, cobbler. Cobbler. Number 2, postman. P-O-S-T-M-A-N, postman. P-O-S-T-M-A-N, postman. P-O-S-T-M-A-N, postman. Postman. Number 3, postwoman. P-O-S-T-W-O-M-A-N, postwoman. P-O-S-T-W-O-M-A-N, postwoman. P-O-S-T-W-O-M-A-N, postwoman. Number 4, doctor. D-O-C-T-O-R, doctor. D-O-C-T-O-R, doctor. D-O-C-T-O-R, doctor. Number 5, teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. 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 Number 6. Policeman. Policemen. Policeman. Policemen. Policeman. Again the 6 words: cobbler, postman, postwoman, doctor, teacher, policeman. Number 7. Police women. POLICEWOMEN. Police women. POLICEWOMEN. Police women. POLICEWOMEN. Police women. Number 8. Tailor. 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 Number 9. Shopkeeper. 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 Number 10. Letters. 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 Number 11. Learn. 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 Number 12. Safe. 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 Number 7. Policewomen. Number 8. Tailor. Number 9. Shopkeeper. Number 10. Letters. Number 11. Learn. Number 12. Safe. Again all the words. 1. Cobbler. Number 2. Postman. Number 3. Postwoman. Number 4. Doctor. Number 5. Teacher. Number 6. Policeman. Number 7. Policewomen. Number 8. Tailor. Number 9. Shopkeeper. Number 10. Letters. Number 11. Learn. Number 12. Safe. So we finished with new words also. Today we learned lesson number 5. People who help us. Children, write these words in your book 3 times and learn. Bye bye children. See you.